Home page displays the cases with next upcoming date, and content updates like headnote with judgments, higher court orders, news, act, articles, and etc. Here we can search the cases and cause list, orders updates, and can keep the client up to date regarding the hearing of dates. From the quick search option, we can search by party name, CNR number, FIR information like police station, FIR no year, or any free text keyword of the case. For example, here we will search by Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in quick search. Results will show up by judgment, court order, litigation, etc. For only litigation result, we can filter by type litigation from here. If we want to follow any of the particular case here, then we can follow it by clicking on bookmark option. If we want to follow all the cases from the result, it can be done by an import all option available with the alert dialog. Here we can set an alert to receive new cases based on the search criteria we had given. Then we can set an alert on the search feed for once, weekly or monthly. It will automatically send a notification for the newly cases on that search criteria via mobile and email both, so then later on we can get suggestion to follow the new cases even. From here, it can be searched by states, districts, courts, and advocate name selection. Multiple selection can be possible. Like if we want to add cases by advocate name, we select lawyer practicing state, and then we'll select multiple lawyer names which are similar to the appearing name on the case. For example, here we will search for Kerala state contains practicing advocate name Madhavan Kutty from advocate list. Results will show up by judgment, court order, litigation, etc. To follow all the cases from the result, quick import all option to apply from alert screen. It will import all the cases within fraction of seconds to our docket and calendar for cause list at the same time. Case type, case number, and case year wise or filling number and filling year wise search can be done from here. Link for calendar case number to 52 and year 2021. So this way we can search any pending or disposed cases quickly, set alert for new cases, and follow the cases for cause list, research suggestion regarding the cases, and link up the case with the client to keep the client up to date on the hearing.